Namaste. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And so in this video is all about basics of perspective. What is perspective? We will start from perspective is an optical illusion when we see from a different angles. An illusion of merging or vanishing happens through light and depth is called perspective. Optical illusion. What is optical illusion? The optical illusion happens because our eyes are circular, like sphere. So sphere is more like you can understand it is a circle from all sides. So as our eyeballs also. Whensoever we see from our pupil a far distant object, so the illusion of matter happens that parallel things happening from our nearest things to the farthest of what we can see. The vanishing thing happens because the nearest thing will be more close to us and the farthest will go and merge at a distinct point where we also cannot see. At that point is a vanishing point. Because of that, this is called optical illusion also, because I've discovered that optical illusion specifically happens to us only. So simply saying optical is biology name of our eyes, and what we see from it is optical, and illusion it is not there, but we are able to say it because of our certain limitations. So it is called optical illusion. Types of perspective. There are three type of perspective. First is 1 point perspective, second is 2 point perspective, and third is 3 point perspective. What is 1 point perspective? A 1 point perspective is a point where our eyesight is able to not see the farthest of it, but everything merges into a center point, which is a center point of our page. But in real life, there is no center point because there is no frame. But I will show two examples in this. First is a railway tracks. The railway tracks where you can see that the tracks are straightforward to our eye level side, but at a certain distinct point, it will vanishes at a point. So that is our 1 point perspective. This is a second example of a 1 point perspective where we will draw a certain lines, and it will vanish in one center point in our page, and we will draw that how optical illusion happens, and how the dimension also matters. So in this video we are just going to understand perspective, not the dimension, but dimension we will figure out in the still life, or still life, basic of still life, in coming up sessions. So don't forget to watch that. So in this one second example of 1 point perspective, it's nothing much to say. In this second example of 1 point perspective, where it, where I'm showing you through the examples of cubes, where all types of cubical boxes forms, and it merges into 1 point where it seems to be going into a point, but it doesn't. It is not going. It is a point where we are able to understand the dimension and vanishing point simultaneously through the cubical boxes, not cubical but cylindrical also. 2-point perspective. In this 2-point perspective, there are 2 points where the lines of vanishing will happen. So I will show you how. Just putting 2 dots in the center of, by stretching a line at the center and at the edge of the 2 pages, we put two dots, and then we will draw a center line from it, and just so in vertical we will put a line at the center of it, or you can just measure it out, but I didn't measure it because I'm good enough. Meanwhile, I'm used to of it, so we will just go with it. And this, after just putting a vertical line straight into the center of the page, just putting 2 lines, just joining that center vertical line with a slant horizontal line on the both end side of the pages, so we will get a kind of diamond shape, not a diamond but kind of V at the both ends. And we will start drawing it, how it works. So at the center of the page where we have drawn a vertical line, which is crossing by the horizontal line, we will start putting some of the details, like a building is there and it vanishes from center to left and center to right at a distinct point. So it is a 2-point perspective. When there is a 2 vanishing point simultaneously, it's called 2-point perspective. In 3-point perspective, there are 3 vanishing points. We are going to just put in our page. The two are on the top and 1 on the bottom of our page, which is in the center, and 2 are on a different sides of the, like 1 on left, 1 on right. And then we'll start crossing the lines, which are just crossing each other from below. In 3-point perspective, it's a bit complicated to understand because it's a bird eye view. So from the top of any tall buildings, you might able to see this type of view where all the buildings are just vanishing on both left and right side, and also in the bottom of the into the bottom also, where they are vanishing. So putting the lines which are crossing each other from left, right and below, they are all crosses. Where the example of 3-point perspective, if you are not able to understand it much from it, so then you can just try out by your own self, experiment it with yourself, because in this perspective I also personally say that this thing needs a bit of practice, and I also did a practice also to show you guys. So in this bird eye view, 3-point perspective, So that's all about the perspective. So if you like this video, don't forget to check out another two of my videos. One is 4 basic skill exercises and another is pencil shading techniques. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment below. Bye bye. Namaste.